Friends, I got my design team package from ASC Supplies for the month of February. All right. So, let's see. Sometimes I forget what I ordered, and it's like a surprise. All right. I want to get this out so I can tell you. Okay, let's start with the Graphic 45 Mixed Media Album. Includes pockets, dividers, art sheets, vellum sheets, and photo corners. Woohoo, let's dig in. All right. Oh, here we go. This is what's included. I'm excited. I saw this on the Graphic 45 site. They had done a tutorial, and I was like, Crystal, are we going to get these? And she said she would be glad to order some. So here we go. We've got these that kind of fell out. I'm not real sure what those are. But it opens up. It's a little bit tight, but I'm sure once you play with it, it loosens up because you don't want it loose when you first get it. And it comes with these dividers, really cool. The vellum, these pages. Oh gosh, it comes with all the stuff you need, and the holes are already punched. These are so cool. So guys, what I'm going to do with this, oh, I love this. This is going to be my 2019 I'm going to use it to organize our projects for our new business. Look at the antique. Can you see how antique looking? Oh, you can't see. There we go. Look at that. Very pretty. So I'm going to use this to organize our new business, vintage stuff and things. And yes, I said things. Let me tell you how much that is. Oh my gosh. For real, it's only $18. It's only $18 for all of this. And I picked the paper that I want to use because our business, Vintage Stuff and Things, if you're not aware, if you're not a regular watcher, is going to be a furniture flipping kind of antique style sort of business. So I ordered 2 pads of the Around the World that has like the vintage cars and the vintage plane, kind of a vintage bicycle. There's another vintage car. So I'm going to use this to alter and create our journal slash, I don't know what you call it. But anyway, I'm super stoked about that. I also ordered this. I saw this and was like, oh, this would make a great sign for Christmas time. And so I just wanted to put that in our stash for Christmas. Let me tell you how much that was. $3.75. Yeah. Love it. Okay. I also ordered this from Heartfelt Creations. And I know these are for, you know, these are elegant pocket accents, but I use stuff like this on the tops of my cards. So I'm going to probably use these more on cards than I am on in journals and stuff. It says 8 pieces, but I only count 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. Well, oh, I think it's including this. Yeah. Okay. All right. So those were, oh, it's 2 separate orders. Sorry. Those were $28.95. All right. Now we got some really fun stuff. Are you ready? Look at this. Oh my gosh. I had to have this. I've actually been wanting this little guy for a while. What's up? Does it have that sentiment? No, it doesn't. It's just called the What's Up dog. And this was $8.45. He is a nice size. He's as tall as my fingers. Super cute. And then I got these two, and these girls were $8.95 each. And I just thought, how pretty would they be to do some either Valentine's or even spring cards, summer cards. Just beautiful. I can even make these winter fairies next year by coloring them, you know, blue and doing their wings in like sparkly stickles. And they are also a very nice size. So that is my design team haul for the month of February. And I hope you will head over to ASC Supplies and get you some of this great goodness. Sign up for their newsletter. You get a 10% off coupon every month. You get a coupon code every month if you are signed up for the newsletter. Free shipping on orders over $75. And oh my goodness, guys, it's a new year. You need some new stuff, right? Okay. Don't forget, link will be in the description box down below, but this is the name of the store, and this is the link right here. So check it out. Thanks for watching. Happy scrappy day. Bye.